back till my leg get numb. Nigga so broke, these nigga bums. A whole thing that a nigga cuff and she dumb. 19, grown hoes, don't believe a nigga young. Fucking hoes, I'm swearing I don't know where they from. Let me welcome you here to the city of guns. And robbers and killers, my city get done. She crazy, the Glock 23 got a drum. 392, slide the bomber, be play, you get stoned.
What do YouTube, man? It's your boy SRTJD back with another video. As y'all see from the title of the video, man, I'm giving y'all my top speed. Well, I'm gonna try to get y'all my top speed. It just depends on how traffic is. I haven't been uploading videos, bro, you know what I'm saying? Cause low-key, I had lost motivation for YouTube. Just cause, you know what I'm saying, I was just like, bro, I'm sitting here, I'm doing this and that ain't working. But I'm back though, you know what I'm saying? So, oh snap. It happened, man, you know what I'm saying? You trying to do something and it seems like it ain't working, you always gonna get discouraged. But normally when you want to quit, that's right before you finna, you know what I'm saying, break through or get to the top. So I'm gonna keep going, man. I promise myself I'm gonna keep going. You know what I'm saying? But anywho, man, let me show y'all this. Let me show y'all what's going on right now. So as y'all see, my front windows ain't tinted no more. My back still 5%, and I don't got the banner going under the SRTJD no more. You know what I'm saying? You know how it is, man. Haters, bored people. Like, I don't know why my tent was bothering so many people, but I guess it was.
Nigga, you just hating, feel me? That's why you ain't never gonna have no paper, ain't never gonna have no bitches.
But I handled that situation, you know what I'm saying? And we actually about to go right now to Trier. We finna get all this fixed. But yeah, bro, my tent was a problem. It was bothering people, so they I don't know, man. I guess if you ain't got haters, you ain't doing something right. You know what I'm saying? But all that's the situations in the past, bro. I'm done. I'm past it now. I'm finna go take the Scat to Trier and take it back to the rap shop and then, you know, get some stuff done to it. But on the way there, I'm finna get y'all this top speed, man. I know I hadn't dropped the video in a while, so I'm gonna come back with this video. I'm really finna try to hit my top speed. Oh, yeah. And I got my Lawrence springs on. So that's really what's making me want to hit my top speed, because it's like the car feel more stable now. You know what I'm saying? At first when I was trying to speed, I think the highest I got to was like 150. But the car didn't feel stable. So I ain't like going that fast while the car didn't feel like it was on the ground almost. You know what I'm saying? You know how high chargers sit, bro. It's a big car. So now that it's heavier, it's lower. You know what I'm saying? It drive way better. So I'm finna get out this top speed run, man. I'm gonna try to at least. And I'm gonna put my car in eco mode because I just filled my tank up and I ain't trying to burn no more gas. Cause yeah, I didn't fill my tank up probably 3 times this month. So, and it's only July 6th. It's my birthday too. But yeah, man, I'm about to get this top speed run for y'all. Cut the camera back on once I get to the rap shop. All right, man. I hope it's giving y'all a good view. I really don't know what it's looking at, but this is my my setup that I like to ride in. Sport, the steering on track, because I like the steering wheel to be super stiff when I'm like going that fast, and I got traction on street because I mean I'm on the street. So we about to get y'all this top speed run, man. I'm gonna put my dyno on, and then yeah, hopefully it's a good video. And my y'all will be able to see my speed right there, obviously. That's in miles per hour, it's not in kilometers. So yeah, man, we about to get this. Alright, bro, let's hit this. Let's get this, man. I've been waiting to do this for a minute, I ain't gonna lie, because I want to hit my top speed. So let me see what my top speed. Let me show y'all my top speed right now. Say, let me see. Oh, okay, here you go. So my top speed right now is 149 miles per hour. But that was with no springs and none of that. So I'm finna go back to this. And then we finna see what we can get up to, man. I'm gonna wait till I get to this downhill, like slope, where it's like downhill. And it's just better. You know what I'm saying? You pick up more speed faster. So that's what we about to do. I don't know what this GoPro looking at, so I really hope it's giving y'all a good, let me see. Kind of subscribe, man. Share this video. Share this video already. We only going 100 right now. And y'all, this is 100% legal. I'm on the Autobahn. In Germany, is no speed limit. There's no speed limit in this specific part I'm about to do this in either. So if you're watching this, I'm not doing nothing illegal. I'm like, this is 100% legal, bro. It ain't no speed limit. Wait, man. And I did this because, like, when my windows was tinted, y'all couldn't really see. So now that they're not tinted on the front and the banner and all that, y'all can see more, I'm assuming, I hope. So, yeah, man. As you see right now, we're going 114, and I hadn't even got to the part where I want to do the top speed. But y'all, ever since I got my Lawrence rings, bro, this car feels so much better, bro. Like, so much better. I hate going that fast in curves, bro, because it's a curve. But I think that top speed, I think that curve, that hill I'm talking about is coming up soon. So let's see what these. Oh, but these Lawrence springs feel so good, bro. Like, the car's so stable. Like, at this speed too, it's stable. Crazy on this bridge too, so come on, man, get out the way, bro. Like, this is the only part about the Autobahn, y'all. Like, that's the only bad part. If you going fast and somebody get over in front of you or just sitting in the fast lane for no reason, bro, it's like, come on, bro. So mama, I know what I'm doing out here, man. I do this. It's in my blood. Alright, hold on. I think that hill coming up soon. Coming up soon. These trucks, man. Alright, this the hill. Please get out the way. Come on, bro. Get out the way. 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 Y'all finna mess up my run, man. This is what I be talking about every time, bro. Get out the way. This is the little hill, if you can see. I can see the whole street. So, alright, they got over. Alright, let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. That thing climbing, boy. I got the 153. I really gotta find like a longer stretch because toward the end of that right there, I was going uphill. So like, went downhill, then started going uphill. So the car was kind of just maintaining speed. It wasn't picking up speed. But yeah, man, hit 153. Well, I think 152. I don't know. If I ain't had to get off right here though, I swear, bro. I actually think it's an Autobahn or it's a strip on the way toward the racetrack out here where I can hit my top speed, but I'm not going that direction. So when I actually do top this thing out, man, I'm gonna make sure I vlog it. But for the day though, y'all gonna spend the day with me on my birthday, man. Who is better people to spend your day with than people that support you? You know what I'm saying? So that's what we gonna do. I really wanted to hit like at least 160. I I wanted to hit 160. I mean, 150, whatever, ain't bad, but you know what I'm saying. I really need to get in eco mode though, cause it's kind of crazy. But I'm gonna get through this right quick, man. And then I'm gonna cut the camera back off once I hit this construction zone, and cut it back on once I get to the wrap shop. But look at this though. This don't make no sense right here. Like, you a truck, bro. You know you're not supposed to. You know you ain't going faster than 60 miles per hour. Why you even in this lane, bro? Come on. Now I got traffic behind me. It's all good. Never understand it, man. Stay over there, bro. Don't make me use these Brimbos, man. I'm telling you, if you ever come to Germany, bro, get a muscle car. Or some type of car that can go fast. Cause it's like, you actually get to use your car on these roads. Like, you actually get to use your speed and your horsepower, you know what I'm saying? It's pretty cool. But we hitting this construction zone right now. So let me put this in kilometers. That's kilometers, not miles per hour. And let me slow it down. I'm actually finna get in cruise control. Alright, man. I'm gonna cut the camera back on once we get to the wrap shop. And I'll top it up with y'all there. Alright, man. That's the end result speed for the day. You know what I'm saying? That's my first time trying to get that. My car ain't on. Keith, oh my goodness. Okay, anyways, that was my first time trying it, man. Not a bad speed. I do want to get faster than that, but that's not a bad speed for like the first time I really tried it. So hey, man, stay tuned, man. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna hit 180 in this thing. Alright, man, as y'all see today in the Scatty, man, we hit, I think top speed was like 154, 150, whatever. I forgot honestly, but just left the wrap shop, man. You know what I'm saying? What's understood don't gotta be explained, you know? Yeah. Just sprayed the buzz out the front just cause it protect the paint, you know what I'm saying? But hey, it's really about the end of this video, man. Like, comment, subscribe, share this video. Man, I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one, man. It's TJD out.